Changing the raw water impeller on the generator. It's a Northern Light machine. Fuel filters were changed this morning. So next part is troubleshooting, and it looks like the impeller needs to be changed out. The impeller's hidden behind the sound shield. It's not very easy to get to, so once that part is taken off, we'll revisit.
Cut a big hole here and put a little patch.
The heat shield is off, and looking like he's doing a little bit of yoga down there. We'll check in a little bit in the next video to see. Socket. I gotta go. It looks like a little cog.